Chapter 9 Applications of Integrals. Example 9.4. The question is evaluate integral 1 to 4 2x square plus 3 dx as the limit of a sum. So evaluate integral 1 to 4 2x square plus 3 dx as the limit of a sum. First write the limit formula. Solution. The limit formula is integral a to b f of x dx equal to limit n tends to infinite b minus a by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of a plus b minus a r by n. The limit formula is integral a to b f of x dx equal to limit n tends to infinite b minus a by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of a plus b minus a r by n. So using this limit formula, evaluate the question integral 1 to 4 2x square plus 3 dx. So in our question, our f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3. In the lower limit a is equal to 1. The upper limit b is equal to 4. Now calculate b minus a is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Also, we calculate f of a plus b minus a r by n separately first, then substitute here. So, f of a plus b minus a r by n is equal to f of our a is 1, b minus a is 3, r by n. So f of 1 plus 3 r by n. So our f of x is, since our f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3, since our f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3, so by that function, here we write 2 into, so in this place x, write 1 plus 3 r by n. So 1 plus 3 r by n, the whole square plus 3. Since f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3, so therefore this line is equal to 2 times 1 plus 3 r by n the whole square plus 3. This is equal to, first simplifying this term, so 2 into, this term is like a plus b the whole square. Therefore, the expansion is a square plus b square. It is 9 r square by n square plus 2ab. Therefore, 6 times r by n, close the bracket, plus 3. This 2 is multiplied inside the bracket. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 9s 18 r square by n square plus 2 6 are 12 r by n plus 3. Now adding these 2 and 3, we get 5 plus 18 r square by n square plus 12 r by n. Now substitute this term in the formula in our formula. Substitute this term in our formula. Therefore, we get integral a to b, that is 1 to 4. Our f of x is 2x square plus 3 dx. This is equal to limit n tends to infinite. Our b minus a by n. So b minus a is 3 by n. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of a plus a is 1 plus b minus a is 3 r by n. This is equal to limit n tends to infinite 3 by n. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n. For that place we substitute 5 plus 18 r square by n square plus 12 r by n. In next line, we introduce these two terms inside the bracket. For each three terms, introduce these terms inside the bracket. Therefore, we get limit n tends to infinite. So bracket 3 by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n 5 plus 3 by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n. The second term 18 r square by n square plus 3 by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n 12 times r by n. Close the bracket. This is equal to limit n tends to infinite. The 5 is multiplied to 3, we get 15 by n sigma r is equal to 1 to n 1 plus 3 into 18, that is 54 n into n square is n cube sigma r is equal to 1 to n r square plus 3 12s are 36 by this n into n is n square sigma r is equal to 1 to n r. Close the bracket. This is equal to limit n tends to infinite 15 by n. This one is added n times. So up to plus 1. This is n times plus 54 by n cube. Now write the expansion of this term. R takes 1, so 1 square plus R takes 2, 2 square up to plus R takes n, that is n square plus 36 by n square. Now write the expansion of this term. R takes 1 plus R takes 2 and going R takes n. Close the bracket. Now write the formula for each of these terms. This is equal to limit n tends to infinite 15 by n. So 1 is added to n times, we get n plus 54 by n cube The formula for this term is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 36 by n square. The formula for the term is n plus 1 by 2. Some terms get cancelled now, n, and here this n cancelling to this term, we get n square. Same way here, 1n cancelling to this denominator, we write n power 1. Also, this 1 times 6, 9 times 6, 54, 1 times 2, 18 times 2, 36. Now the remaining terms, is equal to limit n tends to infinite 15 plus 54 by n cube n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. The remaining terms is equal to limit n tends to infinite 15 plus 9 by n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 18 by n and n plus 1 square. It's 9 by n square. Therefore, the remaining terms is limit n tends to infinite 15 plus 9 by n square, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 18 by n plus 1. This is equal to limit n tends to infinite 15 plus 9. This n square can write n plus 1 by n into 2n plus 1 by n plus 18. This n is right under the n plus 1. We get n plus 1 by n. Close the bracket. This is equal to, so limit n tends to infinite 15 plus 9. This term can write 1 plus 1 by n. Same way this term also write 2 plus 1 by n plus 18. This term write 1 plus 1 by n. Close the bracket. So as n tends to infinite, our 1 by n tends to 0. Therefore, the value of this integral is equal to 15 plus 9, 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0 plus 18, 1 plus 0. Close the bracket. This is equal to 15 plus 9 times 1, 2 plus 18. So 15 plus, multiply this 2 is 18 plus 18. Adding all the three terms, we get 51. Therefore, our integral value our integral value 1 to 4 2x square plus 3 dx is equal to 51. This is the answer for, so the 51 is the answer for this integral. Therefore, example number 9.4 over. Thank you.